Alright, so this is it. I guess it's time to pull the trigger and start the bike project. And if I figured if I'm gonna do the bike, then might as well record it, and I hope you guys watch it. I may not be the best mechanic in the world or know what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out. So be patient with me, be kind. All criticism is welcome, hopefully for the better. If you see I'm doing something or you'd like to see something, let me know. Hopefully we can put something together. But as far as the bike goes, she's been hanging out for about 30 years. Last registered 05 of 94. About the time I've been alive. But for in this video, we're gonna get the bike taken apart with the help of my two beautiful children. And maybe in the next video we'll start getting some paint put on there. See what's gonna happen. You know, starting to get chugging away pretty good at this whole thing. I was a little concerned about the wiring going into this, mainly because wiring's really not my forte. Nonetheless, let's keep chugging away. Also, thank you, baby. so I'd like to take this time. But I hope this inspires you to do something. I hope this inspires you to, you know, put all the excuses you've been telling yourself aside and do something you really wanted to do. You know, a lot of people can make excuses like, oh, well, my kids get in the way. You know, my kids are just as interested, if not more interested than I am of this thing, and it only lasts a few minutes. You know, one of my favorite parts about doing this whole project is, you know, being able to have the people that I care about the most just out here with me while I'm doing my passion. Watch this sick t-shirt transition. Boom. Blue to red. You know, when I first got started, I was so worried about the wiring. But at this point, I think everything's gonna be okay. So the people can watch. We gotta make the videos for the people. Give a thumbs up. Alright, let's get this. You know, I don't know if I'll get in trouble for that little music right there, but I love this clip too much not to put it in there, so I guess we'll find out. You know, I don't think I could have found a better ending to this video. If you enjoyed the content you just watched, like and subscribe. If there's something I can improve on, let me know. Well, that's all she wrote, boys. Till next time, we'll see you later.